Hey everyone, so I know I haven't made a video for a long time, and yeah, huge thanks to Qiyimofanggecube for giving me this package. And so what happened is recently I participated in a giveaway by Qiyimofanggecube, and it is about the 2x2 pyramids that they just released, and I won. So they gave me this a couple of days after. So huge thanks to them for organizing this giveaway. And yeah, and so I'm just gonna get into this first. Alright. By the way, leave a comment down below whether you think the lighting like this is better or with the light on is better. So yeah. Okay. Alright, so inside here there's another box, which is actually kind of interesting. Okay, so I'm actually really excited about this. This is my first giveaway that I won. Ooh, and there's actually, I think it's a card. Alright, so now on to the pocket pyramids. Alright, so here it is. Packaging, it's really nice. And yeah, it says pyramids to bet right here. And it's stickerless. Yeah, and well, I guess now I'm just gonna have to take a look at it and say about my first impressions on it. Alright. So this doesn't come with a pamphlet. Oh my god. This is so small and so kind of weird. Alright, so first turns. Ooh, I should don't know how to turn this. But I can't turn the tip by itself. I only can turn this like here. Actually, I still don't know how this works. But I think it works like a it works like a Morphix actually. So actually, this is my first Morphix puzzle, as I say, and actually, it's really cool. And yeah, I'm probably gonna take a look at how to solve this for some time really soon. And oh my god, I just scrambled it. Why did I do that? This thing is really smooth, and the colors, the shades are actually really nice. Well, I think it's similar to the shades on my square one, which is the same as the Qiyi budget line. And for one thing, I actually scrambled it up and I don't have to solve it back. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna get into it. And yeah, so I don't know if I have time to even do this though. So it also has a really nice Qiyi logo on the cube. Yeah. And I think the mechanism. Oh well, let's check corner cutting by the way. Ooh, it actually has corner cutting. I don't think it is supposed to corner cut. For some reason. Yeah, but actually it does really well. It's really smooth, and it reverses corner cuts as well, but just a little bit. Yeah, and yeah, that's about it for this pyramids. I would like to thank Qiyimofanggecube for organizing this giveaway and giving me this cube, letting me win. And yeah, so by the way, if you guys wanna want actually any of these cubes by Qiyimofanggecube, be sure to follow their Instagram at Qiyimofanggecube. It's gonna be linked in the description, and make sure to go check them out. And also follow Moyu's Instagram, MoyuCube. They also will have just like similar giveaways when they release cubes. And be sure to follow my Instagram as well at the_nbcuber. Yeah, all three Instagram accounts and their links are going to be in the description. So yeah, be sure to follow them, including me, of course, as always. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and just see you in the next one.